Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the document and configuring basics. Do this now. Open TextMaker, pick blank or a template, then set page size and margins so layout won't shift later. Make sure font style and size are chosen for consistency. Once done, enable autosave and choose the file format you need. This prevents lost work and avoids reformatting. You're ready to move into structure and content creation with a stable foundation that saves time. Now you build the document structure and refine formatting. Apply heading styles to create an automatic outline and multi-level numbering so navigation is consistent. This also generates a table of contents later. Insert tables or images and anchor them to text or page depending on flow. Once anchored, adjust wrap settings so text reads naturally. Use paragraph spacing and tab stops for precise alignment. This keeps columns tidy. You'll see the document come together and remain easy to edit as content grows. Finish by reviewing and exporting. You want a clean final product. Run spell check and grammar tools, enable change tracking for collaborators, and then export to PDF or the required format. If file size is large, compress images and re-export to reduce transfer time. If something goes wrong, like layout shifts or missing styles, reset affected styles, clear local formatting from problematic sections, or revert to the auto-saved version. This typically restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.